Imagine this. You land in Japan, walk into the train station, and when you look every sign is in kanji, you are panicked. You recognize a little hiragana, but all the important words are just hard black box, and you have no idea which way to go. I'm Hassan from Lingo Asia, and today I will give you the most useful kanji for your first trip to Japan. Let's begin. Let's start with the place you will see immediately, the kanji eki. This means station. Anytime you see eki, you are looking at a train station. On big sign, it usually appears together with the station name. For example, Shinjuku, then eki. You don't need to read the name. If you only catch eki, you know this is a station. When you are changing trains, you just scan for this one character and you are safe. Now imagine you just land. On the maps and signboards, you will often see a word that contains Kuko. This is airport. Even if you cannot read the full word, train lines that go to the airport will often put Kuko in the name. So when you are choosing a line from the city, look for eki for station and Kuko for airport. Next, food. The kanji shoku is your best friend. It means eat or food. You will see shoku often in words about meals and food. If you are walking in a new area and you see a board with shoku in it again and again, good news. That area probably has a restaurant or something to eat. Remember, you don't need to know the full word. Your brain only needs to catch soku, and your stomach knows this way. For drinks, you may see in combination. This is a drink. The pattern is very simple. Shoku is what you eat, in is what you drink. If the place has both shoku and in on the sign, it's almost certainly a place to eat and drink, like a restaurant or bar. You will also see mizu everywhere. This water. You will find mizu on bottles, vending machine, and sometimes in toilet or public facilities. Now for shopping. The kanji mise means shop or store. When you see something that ends with mise, it's some kind of shop like bookshop or convenience store. You don't have to know the first part. If you are in a mall and you see a floor guide, just look for mise over and over. That tells you which things are shop and which are not. In an emergency, you absolutely must know byoin. This is hospital. Two kanjis together. Byo is sickness, in is institution or building. When they come together, it's byoin. On Google Maps or on signboard, look for byoin. If you feel sick or you are helping someone, you want byoin, not just any clinic or shop. Before we finish, let's connect this to VENOM formula, the verbal nominal idea we use on this channel. Think of many of these kanji as the nominal part. Station, shop, hospital, cash, they are noun, places, and things. Then you often see them combined with more verbal ideas. For example, Genkin Shiharai. Genkin is cash, the nominal side. Shiharai is payment, the verbal idea. Together on a sign, it tells you cash payment. Verbal plus nominal in one compact block. When you start see kanji like this, not as a random pictures but as little verbal nominal unit, Japanese sign become logical instead of scary. If this makes Japanese sign finally feel clear and logical, subscribe to Lingo Asia and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. I'm Hassan from Lingo Asia. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.